Hey, 30-minute marketers. Today's video, we're going to talk about what I wish I knew when I started affiliate marketing. This is going to be a little bit of advice for you beginners out there, and even some of you people that might just be stuck and looking for a little bit of a push. All right. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to help you do more to market your message in less time. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications of future videos, and remember, it's not about faster, but it's about focus. And like I said today's focus is on what I wish I knew when I started affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first is mindset. What am I talking about when I talk about mindset? For me specifically, and most likely for you as well, I'm talking about the entrepreneurial mindset, the mindset of being an entrepreneur, what it means and how different it is. For example, myself, I've been an employee my entire life since I was graduated from high school, turned 18, joined the United States Air Force, started working for a living, right? That's what we do. Graduate high school, we go to college, we look for that good job, we become an employee. That's the majority of us. That's what the majority of us do. Majority of the people that I'm talking to, specifically you, most likely were an employee. So this is the case of mindset. You have to change your mindset. You don't just show up to your affiliate marketing business, and yes, this is a real business. You don't just show up to your affiliate marketing business and sit in your chair in front of your computer screen and get paid for being there, right? And I'm not saying that every job is like that, but it's the case for the majority of people. At some point, you are just on the clock and you're making money for being there. Put it in your 40-hour week, for example, in a standard U.S. work week, right? So this is a shift. This is a mindset shift. This is something that you have to understand that you're going to have to accept and be ready for, and flip that switch and say, I am ready to take the risk to make affiliate marketing work. All right? This is what I'm talking about when I talk about mindset. Getting the right mindset, the mindset of an entrepreneur. Next up, we have discipline over motivation. Now, what do I mean by this? All right, so for me, motivation is something that comes in short spurts, right? You're very motivated to do something because it needs to get done, or you're motivated to do something because it's going to feel good. You're motivated to do something because it makes you feel good, right? Discipline, on the other hand, is the thing that brings you to the table every day. It's the thing that brings me to this YouTube channel to make these videos. This video right now is about discipline. So when I got here and right now I'm talking to you, I'm motivated. I have the motivation to finish this video. I have the motivation to share this information with you, to deliver this message to you, right? Because I want to make sure that you get this information, so that makes me feel good, and I hope it's going to help you. So that's my motivation right this second, and I'm going to be able to use that motivation to get through this video. But it's the discipline in the background, right? It's like that iceberg. You got the thing that everybody sees, that's kind of like the motivation, but the discipline underneath, right? The thing that makes me show up, the thing that makes me show up every day, the thing that makes me show up and do the work. That's discipline. The thing that made me set a schedule every Wednesday for a year from last October, as of the shooting this video, that was 2018 to 2019, I shot a video every Wednesday, no matter what. That was discipline. Discipline got me through that, all right? So that's what I mean, discipline over motivation. And it goes to the first thing that we talked about, talking about mindset. You're an entrepreneur. The risk is on you, right? That mindset is discipline over motivation. You are going to be disciplined to make this happen no matter what. Okay, so now let's step back and talk about patience, taking our time. The tagline, what I always say right here when I start the 30-minute marketing videos, and what I truly believe in, is it's not about faster, it's about focus. And what that means is, don't try to just rush through it. Don't just try to get it done, okay? Focus on the task at hand, and yes, of course, work in 30-minute chunks, right? Just like Gene Schwartz would always talk about copywriting. That's what 30-minute marketing is about. That's where the idea came from, is to work in those 30-minute spurts. When you have something to do, set your timer, 30 minutes, actually 33 minutes, 33 seconds, as Gene Schwartz would do, and get to work. Do the work, right? So it's not about faster, it's about focus, but that focus is going to make you faster. But then to patience, have the patience to understand that this is a long-term proposition. You're in business for the long run. For example, I was talked about earlier being an employee. I've done the same job for 28 years. I worked as a network engineer. I worked in IT, information technology. I've done that ever since I joined the Air Force, like I said at the beginning of the video. I've always done that job. I've always done it as an employee working for a company, okay? So, as an entrepreneur, I have to understand that I'm looking for a new 30-year plan. My 30-year plan is to be my own boss and to run my own online business. So I have to have the patience to understand that it's going to take time. That's what I mean by patience, all right? And like I said, I wish I knew that. And honestly, I did know that, but it's something that you need to be reminded of. You need to remind yourself, and I'm also here to help you, giving you this little reminder today. Okay, so now we're going to get into actual marketing stuff, right? So as an affiliate marketer, you need to make sure that you have a target audience in mind. And that's what I'm talking about on this screen. Niche down. Right? And I've done videos, and I'll leave a link in the description with a playlist to my niche videos so you can watch those and understand what I mean. But this is so super important because most people, when they start affiliate marketing, they think, oh, I'm going to make money by recommending all the products that I use. And yes, you can do that. But the problem is, if you do that, then you don't have a target audience. You don't have a niche. A niche being a specific problem for a specific group of people, okay, that you're trying to help. So you need to niche down. You need to niche down and understand that you're looking for that set demographic, that set psychographic. But you need to take that, right, those two big terms, and you need to understand that brings it down to one person. That one person, for example, 30minutemarketing.net, that one person that has been an employee their whole life but wants to become affiliate marketer, wants to create their own product, right, wants to have their own online business. That's what 30minutemarketing.net is for. That's my niche market. You're my target audience. Someone that is willing to focus, willing to have patience, willing to take the time that it takes to do this, find the discipline to make sure that they have the right mindset, okay? So again, that's what you're doing when you're niching down. You're finding that starving crowd. And if you don't understand what a starving crowd is, there's a video on the channel about what a starving crowd is. That's who you're looking for. You're looking for your raving fans. Right? You're looking for your Bob, your Steve, your whatever, your avatar, as a lot of people call it. You're looking for that one person you can talk to. And that one person, you go out from there and you find a subset of those people that have a specific problem that you have the solution for. All right? So again, this one is very specific about marketing. Niche down into your market. Okay, so next, after you've niched down, and again, this is directly related to marketing when you're talking about your audience, building that relationship with your audience. Turning on this camera, looking at the camera, right? Having a conversation one-on-one with you, just like I'm doing now. You want to do that with your audience. Build that relationship, right? So it could be YouTube. Doesn't have to be video. A lot of people say that video adds that extra element because, like I said, you can see me. You can understand my passion, right? You can see that. Or if I was doing a woodworking video, you could see the woodworking that I'm doing. Or if I was welding or, right, whatever, if I'm salsa dancing. If I do a video, you can see it and I'm going to connect with you on a much greater level. And that's what I'm talking about in relationship building. Now that's relationship building with your audience. Don't forget about the relationship that you need to build with the vendors. Because we're talking about affiliate marketing here. The things that I wish I knew with affiliate marketing. Because a lot of people, and to include myself, I like to go to ClickBank and I like to look at ClickBank and I like to say, great, look at all these products and all I have to do is copy this hop link and then I'm good to go, okay? But don't be afraid, and not just be afraid, understand that you're going to do so much better as an affiliate when you reach out and you build a relationship with that vendor and they know who you are and they understand that you're in this for the long term, right? That you have the patience to follow through with their product. And also, you will be doing a service for your audience by building that relationship with the vendor, because you will understand that that vendor, even though they may have a good product, maybe their support is not so great. So those are kind of things you could say. So for example, as an affiliate marketer, it's not all, right, rainbows and unicorns. Some products are fantastic, but you know that the support is not so great. But you're still going to recommend that product. You know, these are the kind of things you do as an affiliate marketer when you build those relationships. Relationship with your audience, relationship with the vendor. Now, honestly, if support's terrible for a product, specifically like, you know, some type of site builder or plugin or something, most likely you want to steer clear of that, but I think you get what I'm trying to say, right? As an affiliate marketer, you want to present the pros and the cons. And one of the cons would be like, hey, the support on this is not so great, so if you have a problem with it, which I don't think you do because I've never had a problem with it, right? Just understand that support's going to take time, or, right, they're not so great. But the product is worth it, you know, yada, 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 yada. You get what I'm saying. Relationship building. Build a relationship with your audience, build a relationship with your vendors and other marketers to do promotions with, all right? That's what I'm talking about in relationship building. All right, here we go, talking about the acronym of acronyms, KISS. Keep it stupid simple, or keep it super simple, whichever one you want to go. And I think there's some more. So, but we're going to KISS this, and we're just going to keep this simple. And simply, it just means that. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate this thing, right? Yes, you're doing affiliate marketing, and you're doing affiliate marketing online, but don't overcomplicate it. Don't think too much about it. You need a web page? Get web hosting. Check out Thrive Architect, right? Thrive Themes, and buy it. Use it. Do it. You know, it'll work. If it doesn't work for you, like if you find that too complicated, outsource it, or go for a ClickFunnels or something like that, right? Something along that lines that you know that you can buy that thing, you can click on it, and you can make it work. Keep it simple. Move forward. Don't get bogged down in small, tiny minutia that don't matter. The things that you don't make any money. I'll give you a perfect example. Me, again, that 28 plus year career inside information technology, right? I'm a tech guy. I build networks. I connect people to the internet. I know a little bit about computers. So for me, when I first started online, I spent too much time doing the things that I do in my day job, right? Worrying about the website and thinking, oh, do I need a VPS, which is a private server, and I can manage and maintain that server and all this kind of stuff. But for me, 30-minute marketing, 30minutemarketing.net is not about that techie stuff. That's not what we do here. Now, I show you how to use some of the tech stuff to try to simplify it for you, and I hope those videos are good tutorial videos and help you do things, right, faster so you can focus on the things that matter, which are, you know, revenue generating events. So in this case, I wasn't keeping it simple. I needed WordPress. I needed shared hosting from HostGator, Bluehost, right? Whatever. It doesn't matter your hosting. Pick one. Do it, right? Pay the $5 or whatever it is a month. Get the business. Start being a marketer. Marketing your message to your target audience. Keep it simple. Move forward. All right. Next, we're talking about investing in yourself. And this, we're talking about investing in yourself, talking about investing in training, talking about investing in tools, just like we talked about a second ago, keeping it simple, okay? So invest in yourself, invest in your business to know that you need to invest your money to build a real business. You don't build a real business on free products. You don't build your business on borrowed ground, okay? So yes, you're gonna have to spend some money. Do it wisely. Not saying go out there and just blow all your money, because shiny object syndrome is a real thing, right? I've been there, you've been there, we've all done it. But the thing is no matter if it's a $5 product or it's a $5,000 product, if you join a mastermind, show up to the mastermind. If you buy a $5 product, $5 PDF, read that PDF 3 times. Take notes and put to action what you read. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself with your money. Invest in yourself with your time wisely. Use your time wisely, right? Don't just buy things and not use them. That's not investing in yourself. Buy the tools you need. Buy the training you need, right? Get a mentor. Do these things, right? It's not always going to work out, but you don't know unless you try. So that's part of the investment, is the time and the money, all right? So that's it. That's what I want to talk about today. Things that I wish I knew when I started affiliate marketing. These things, like I said, majority of this stuff was about mindset, but it's super important to make sure that you understand that this is how you get to the point you want to be, where you're doing more to market your message in less time and you're able to do it faster because you're focused, all right? So go ahead, check the link in the description, and in the first comment, there'll be a link pinned there to a super simple and efficient strategy to build your own online business. So again, invest in yourself and keep it simple. All right. So again, I'm Gary Baker. There's going to be a 30-minute timer right here above me. Click on that 30-minute timer and subscribe to the channel and get more videos. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a link in the comments to tell me what you wish you knew before you got started or when you got started with affiliate marketing, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.